Alright, so I'm here at the Miami International Boat Show, and I'm here to do a few things. I'm going to find out what's new. I'm going to find out how long it takes for you to get that boat, because now you pretty much have to order and wait. So let's go find out. So I'm here at Intrepid, and guess what? It is the busiest booth of them all, of course. Intrepid. Intrepid, Intrepid, Intrepid. If you really want to know about Intrepid, you can call me. At Midnight Express, you've got Nortec over there, you've got Cigarette, and then you've got MTI. These are really nice, high quality, custom boats. So if you decide to come to Midnight Express, they have a new one. It's not inside, you have to go to the water display. It's the 52V Test. It's their newest model, and they are about 2 years out if you want to order one. Alright, so I'm here at Scout, and their newest model is this 400 LXF. It's open up in the front. I love that side door, and it's nice. You should check it out. It's a double-stepped hull. It's got twin 600 horsepower Mercury outboard engines, and it's rigged for fishing and pleasure. And it's really nice. And to get one, you're looking at what did he say? Not this September, but the next September. So this is CV, and this is their 450Z. They're about 4 to 6 years out, depending on the model. There's Regal, you've got Sea Ray, you've got Formula, you've got Wellcraft, Four Winds, and Chaparral. If you're looking for that style boats, they're all kind of similar in certain ways. So I'm here at the Sea Ray display, and I would say their biggest, most popular models are this 32 and their new 37. And they're both outboards, they're both triple engines or twins, depending on the power. You can get twin 600s on the 37. And the layout's really nice, and people like it a lot. So I am here at the Boston Whaler display, and they have a new model here. It's called the 36 Outrage, or the 360 Outrage, and it's this one right here. Guess what? They're 5 years out. So if you wanted one now, you'd have to wait 5 years to get it. The average time of their other models are like, I don't know, 8 months, maybe a little more, but this one is 5 years. So if you want it, you better hurry up. Boston Whaler is pretty cool, but years and years ago, they had amazing marketing, and they would call it the Unsinkable Hall, etc. You could see that they cut out a 170 Montauk up there, so you can see how they fill it. So it really is unsinkable. I mean, like, if you cut it in half, it's just gonna float. So I'm here at Chris Craft, and this is their new model. It's the Calypso 27. And you can probably get into one of these by the end of the year. And then there are other models, same kind of thing. It just depends on the size, but this is brand new, so you guys should check this out. It's a twin engine boat, and it's a nice layout. Here at Axopar, and this is a brand new boat. It's their 25 cross top, and the other one, I believe that's a 37. That one came out a few years ago, like in 2017, and they refreshed it in 21, I believe. So this one is new, and what's cool is that you can actually get one by the end of the year. So I came to Edgewater. They don't have any new models. They have a 34 that came out in like around 2019, which is that one right there. And then they have them in inventory. All right, so I'm here at Pursuit, and there's a new model. It's called the DC246. This is it. It's a single engine outboard, and you can get into one of these probably by the end of summer to the end of the year. If you want a boat now, they've got fountain power boats. This is a brand new model that just came out this year. You can get it now. They have some ordered, so you can get some. They're coming in on inventory. It's the 332NX, I believe. Yeah. So I'm here at Everglades. This boat's not here, but they brought a like toy model, and this one's about 2.5 years out. And their other stuff is a lot less, but they can put you in a model now. Some of them you do have to wait. But this one is about 2.5 years. It's their 455C. So I'm here at Grady White. This is their 45.6 Canyon, and they have inventory. It just depends. Like some dealerships will be getting stuff in by the end of the year. Others won't. I mean, for them, it just depends on the model. So I came to Jupiter, and they don't have any new models. Actually, they do have one. They didn't bring it. It's like a 40-footer. So I'm here at Robalo, and they've got 2 newer models. They don't have like a brand new model, but they have their 36, and they have a 31 over there. And if you want one right now, there's like one left this year.